Stop staring at ESPN's default projections. They're often wrong and don't account for your specific league settings. Today we're going to scrape our entire league history, apply machine learning to find the actual best players, and then build an interactive dashboard for us to decide. And we're going to do it in 3 minutes, writing zero code from scratch and using Google Gemini. Step 1, the data. I need to get the weekly stats out of ESPN. I need to ask Gemini. I'm going to pull up Workbench. I'm going to set it to Gemini Pro 3. I've decided I want to use Google Colab, which has been my go-to coding application as of recently. It's really fast. It's really great. I figured Gemini is going to know how to integrate with Colab better than any other LLM. So here's what we're going to say. Then Google Colab. All right. That's great. Fantasy. From the player class, the goal is to create a master spread the same Google environment. Do additional analysis on that. So now I'm going to go to the wiki for the player class, and I'm going to find the example that it has. Here we go. I'm going to take this. I'm just going to copy and paste it into the prompt. This is going to create a Google Drive file or Google Colab file that I'll be able to copy and paste once I get my SWID and my ESPN2 values into a Google Colab notebook. So let me just pull up something fresh. So here it goes. It says my final complete Python script. Let's copy that. Let's go to my Colab notebook. ESPN Data Scraper. And so what ESPN Data Scraper is going to do is it's going to go out, connect to my ESPN Fantasy Football League, and then it's going to scrape all the data for the past 3 years. So 2023, 2024, 2025. This is then what we're going to use to be the database for the Streamlit app that we're going to then create. Now we can look through the data, see how it looks, just give it an eye test. There we go. That looks right. So now we're going to download this. It's a CSV. Step 2, the intelligence. Raw numbers are boring. I want to know who's overperforming. So I asked Gemini, build me a Streamlit dashboard. So now that we have the data, we've aggregated it within a Google Drive folder, we want to visualize that data. So now we're going to ask Gemini, hey, this is great, but can we visualize it using a Streamlit dashboard? I want to remind the system that we're on the local desktop instead of using the Google Colab cloud environment. I also included the name of the CSV file that we just downloaded. Have the draft data in the same directory. So let's just open up a text file here. We'll take this, copy it, put this, delete, boom, call it draft app 26. Perfect. Based on data from 2025, let's go on 2020. Let's look at each. Look at that. Wow, cool. Okay, so it looks like the dashboard's working well. It's connected to the data, gives you all the data that you'll need Can even do a player deep dive. See the past 3 years of data. Okay, this is awesome. We went from no data to a custom machine learning clustering model in 3 minutes using Gemini to do all the heavy lifting. I put the code in the description below. Now let's go win our league in 2026.